Okay, I'm gonna find out if people want to watch horizontal or vertical videos here. But I have a cart here where I screwed a a board on here. I actually have two carts, furniture dollies from Harbor Freight, and I had a larger piece of plywood on here so I could move furniture, and I don't need that plywood on there. It's falling apart, and so what I need to do is pull out these broken screws. So I figured it would be a good time to show off how I do it. This is a vice grips made by the Irwin Company. You're going to see there's this knurled knob here, and as I turn it, it either loosens or tightens depending on which direction you go. So that is increasing or decreasing the jaw's effective gripping area, like how big something is that it can grab onto. So right now it's locked up. There is a spring in here, and so it kind of snaps, locks in place, and then that spring pulls it apart. And so if you want to release it and it's really tight, you use this little lever inside, and that breaks up the grip that it locks with. So what I need to do right now is I'm going to come in. There's probably not enough to grab onto this way. So what works is to come in vertically. And so I'm going to leave the jaws open. I'm going to tighten it a little bit, and then we'll see if that's enough grip. Doesn't feel like it. I'm going to tighten up the jaws just a hair more. And then you want to have it be, tighten them up just a hair more. We have an ambulance going by. Yep. All right. So I've got a good tight lock. Yeah, that's unfortunate. So that's going to happen if the screw is too corroded. So I might have to just drill that out. I'm going to try this next one and see. Okay, so that one is going according to plan. As you can see, going vertically with the vice grips, it gives me the room I need to work around this other screw. So that's one pulled out. And then see if this one wants to go willingly. So you can get a good look at it. That is the screw in there with the grips. And then I'm able to pull it out. The locking function on this gives you an incredible amount of squeeze that you're not going to get from a pliers. Your hand just isn't strong enough to apply the kind of pressure that you get with the mechanism in one of these things. So anyways, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps a beginning woodworker or home improvement enthusiast. Good luck with the houses. Good luck with the projects. And like and subscribe if you want to see more tips to help you out.